Here we've got a 1950s bedside or mantel clock, originally clockwork. This is it after conversion to quartz. I just spin it around. We've got a Bakelite rear case back, which is secured by 3 nuts. If I remove those, you'll see that the case back, we're keeping the originality by, I just basically 3D print a little holder, which I then screw the original winding key back onto there. So there's the new movement, German UTS quartz movement with a AA battery. So when a customer wants to change the time or the battery, they just undo those 3 nuts to remove the case back. I always want the clocks to look as original as they did 50, 60, 70 years ago, so when it's on the mantle, at first glance you wouldn't really know it's no longer clockwork. What it is now though is super quiet, so that could easily be in your bedroom and it won't keep you awake. If you've got anything similar you want converting to quartz, please get in touch with me. It's Tristan at clocksupcycle.co.uk. There's links to the email or form or WhatsApp. Okay, thanks very much. Cheers, bye.